Pacey.
Hi.
What do you? Hi. Hey, Pacers. What do you have there today, Pace?
I have a grandma and see, I don't even know this one.
So it's a Grandma and Me Explore Outdoors, an intergenerational activity kit. So we're sponsored by Inside Editions and Little Bridges Activity Kits.
And guess what? And we're in our neighborhood park again.
Yes, we are in our neighborhood park. So are you ready to open it up and show the Pacers what interesting stuff are in there? Cool. What does that look like?
A microscope.
Not a microscope, magnifying glass.
Oh yeah, I'm keeping mixing up the names.
Okay.
It says more inside.
Whoa, what is that?
I wish we were at home because you know.
So you got a little cute.
Oh my god!
What is that?
Can I open it?
Yes, open, of course.
Oh!
So it comes with a little cute sack bag there.
And you can carry it with
Carry all the stuff in there.
What is it?
Ooh.
What is that?
Oh, it looks like a picture frame. You can put your picture of whatever you find in there. Oh wait, what's this? Oh, this is solar paper, I bet you. So it's solar print kit. So don't open it because you don't want to ruin it.
So what is it?
So it's an activity that we could do.
Okay.
And we'll have to figure it out when we're back at home, okay?
Oh, it says collect different objects. It says collect different objects.
Yeah. So that's cool. What else is?
Look.
Oh, show that. A busy bee life. That's cute.
What else is in here? Ooh, what is this? Oh, it says Grandma and Me Outdoor Activity Journal. More to explore outdoors together.
Cool.
Look, don't even stare.
So what's included is a storybook, magnifying glass, outdoor activity journal, solar print kit, drawstring backpack, 3 fine point paint pens, and sidewalk chalk. And then we got the instructions here. This looks like it's fun for any age to do with their grandma or aunt or uncle, mom or dad. What you got there? A magnifying glass.
Hey, Pacey, let's drill it. Come here closer.
Whoa. All right, what else is in there? And it looks like the company also has Grandma and Me in the kitchen activity kit as well.
Guys, there's another truck.
Okay, be careful. Don't open it up right now.
I know, I'm not going to open this one.
Okay.
Oh, can we see the pens, Mom?
Yeah, show what the paint pens look like.
I forgot what the paint pens look like. Which is totally awesome!
Yes. You really like this kit, Pace?
Yeah, because it comes with new stuff I already have.
You don't have the magnifying glass yet?
No. Come on, little piggy.
You need help?
Yeah, I need your sharp nails to do it.
Oh, here, open it from that end. There
okay.
you go. Ooh, okay. You can only use that with Mama, okay, or Daddy.
Why does this one look pinkish?
I don't know. It looks like there's it's 3 pens, and it looks like, yeah, it's just 3 pens, and it's the primary colors. It's blue, yellow, and red.
Why do they call the primary colors?
Because those are the main colors. Here, you can put them back in the box and put them back in the bag. And what do you want to tell Pacers about this? Do you think you'll enjoy this?
Yeah!
Alrighty, friends.
I hope you enjoyed the video!
Your video review, right?
Yes!
So is it a thumbs up?
Yes.
Alrighty, friends.
Thank you everyone for watching my video. Bye bye. This is from the bell, please. Pacey.